Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare whey protein good or bad, which is better, read labels, choose the type that fits your needs, and monitor servings. Whey is a convenient way to boost protein intake for workouts or busy days. Start with a low dose to test tolerance and combine with whole foods for balanced nutrition. Listen to your body and adapt timing to your training schedule for best results. Whey protein can be a practical tool for hitting daily protein goals and aiding recovery after strength sessions. Use it as a post-workout shake or a protein boost in meals when time is tight. Pair whey with carbs or fats when you want sustained energy and fuller meals. Consider flavors and sweeteners if you are sensitive, and rotate sources to avoid relying on a single product for all protein needs. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during shakes and workouts by carrying a reliable bottle like the Owala water bottle, which fits cup holders and keeps drinks cold. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and like to support practical nutrition content. I link that bottle and other deals in the description so you can find them easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Whey is not a miracle but a convenient protein option, and it can cause bloating for those sensitive to lactose. If you notice discomfort, try an isolate or plant mix, or reduce serving size. Whole food proteins provide vitamins and minerals whey lacks, so balance is important. Use whey strategically, not as a meal replacement every time, and be mindful of added sugars and artificial ingredients in some powders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.